this game without a doubt. I keep on writing, sticking tight within my lane. I got a Philly roll to fart. I stuff is lighting in the pain of a ready to pop that. I'm addicted to the fame. Yeah, I'm that one out of a billion, an exception to the thought that this out of the box. Think I wouldn't make it to the top. I'ma not stop, I'm climbing ready, heavy, steady as she goes. Gonna peak soon, saying I've been ready to blow. I got my mind on my music, my foot on the gas. I'm leaving smoke signals, bumping, living life in the fast. Can I get it when it counts? I gotta pounce and get rapping my every ounce of 100% amounts. A deposit to make you bounce. Yeah, I'm that motherfucker first to hit the mic. You just cracking your first beer, but I got work to do tonight. Get 10, 20 tops crowds, I gotta work to get the hype. While a million is so whack, has got the nerve to steal the light. I'm here to put it down and represent my real MCs. My blue collar gotta grind to stay and feel MC. My go and rep if you ain't on the fucking bill MC. If you ain't bout it, then you not a fucking real MC. Put a couple in the air, fill a cup and let it blend. You let them know that we don't give a single fuck, but if they can, scream it louder than you can. Dreaming out it cause we stand. We that 1% of everyone who doubted what they said. Put a couple in the air, fill a cup and let it blend. You let them know that we don't give a single fuck, but if they can, scream it louder than you can. Dreaming out it cause we stand. We that 1% of everyone who doubted what they said. One of a kind, we'll scribble out in the lines. We got a honest how to rock the flow of your mind. One of a kind, we'll scribble out of the lines. We got a honest around the flow of your mind. Blow of your mind. Blow of your mind.
Oh my gosh, she probably scraped her ass. I'm waiting on something to happen. I hope nothing to happen. But I want to get this shit on camera because, hey, it can go on TV. Hi, how are you? Wait. Hi, baby. I'm fine, and you? Candy camera? No, baby, I wouldn't do that. Oh, you want me to? Oh, really? Okay. This is what y'all do on the weekends? This is what y'all do on the weekends? Oh, baby, this is scary. This shit is too scary. Baby, this is scary. Y'all be careful. Especially these cute girls y'all got on y'all bikes. I won't know. My cousin? They turned up on University in Metropolitan. Oh my God, he gonna let her drive That's enough for one day. Sorry guys, gotta go. Say hi. No. You're already on there. You're already on camera. Look at her. She couldn't wait to get on there. She couldn't wait to get on there. She is crazy. She is too cute to get on there. She walked up and got on the bike. Hey. Please y'all be safe. Especially the dread. The dread guy, he been taking a lot of chances. That probably make her feel. Look at her, she don't. Yo, folks are crazy. What's so fun about that though? Is it like a rush? Do you get a rush from it? You ready to go? You have a yeah.
Yes, she does.
We need to uh-oh, shit. There go the cops, he's getting mad. There's the cops getting mad. Oh shit, here they come. No, we allowed to take them. They take. Oh shit! I'm cutting it off. They don't care. They spluttering now. They getting out of here like roaches. They spluttering like roaches. They don't care. They still acting a fool. They still acting a fool. The police right there. They oh my God! They getting them. No, don't get them. Don't get them. Chasing the guy. The guy is getting chased by the police. They is getting chased by the police. They can't catch him. They can't catch him. They getting chased by the police.
Yeah, you gonna do this shit again. This every day, all day.
Every day, all day.
Real shit,
That's
real shit.
y'all crazy. I gotta get up out of here. I'm Cobb County bound. This too crazy.
This is the type of shit that go on in the hood.
Y'all cute girl. You.
I told her.
You sexy. Say hi to the Cincinnati people. Cincinnati. In the air.
In the A zone 3, baby, you already know what it is. You hear me?
I got this shit on. Hey. Okay, how to stop this? Okay. Do I stop it to keep? I don't know how to work this damn Samsung bullshit. I know. If I stop it, would it still be